staying so windy out there. We saw widespread gales and damaging gusts through the night and through this morning. We keep blustery downpours in the next few hours together with some brighter sky. A lively setup this afternoon. Frequent downpours rolling through at quite a pace from west to east on brisk, gusty winds. These will move quite swiftly but will be intense and heavy enough to give rumbles of thunder as well as some hail. In between the downpours, brighter skies, welcome sunshine, but feeling a little chillier than the temperatures suggest, particularly across northern counties in the gusty winds. Further south, slightly milder air, 12 or 13 degrees here. Through this evening and tonight, colder air tucks into the north, turning increasingly wintry through parts of Scotland with frequent fresh falls of rain, sleet and snow. The chance of some ice as we head into the small hours. Elsewhere, blustery downpours will be prolonged and intense enough to wake some of us up before dawn. See you soon. Have a good day. A very good evening to you. We've got brisk winds, blustery downpours, but brighter skies as we topple our way into tomorrow. In the meantime, with the keen gusty winds for a time, further blustery wet weather piling its way from west to east. Colder air tucking into the north, a wintry mix of sleet and snow across the highest ground of Scotland and the Pennines of northern England, and then a drier respite before the next system waiting in the wings just in time for the weekend. As for the next few hours, it stays quite windy out there. Blustery wet weather working its way from west to east, drying up for many of us for a time, but increasingly wintry across Scotland and the higher ground of northern England. Here, a wintry mix of rain, sleet and hill snow blowing through across the highest routes to give some terrible visibility, and as temperatures fall, frosty with icy, slippery surfaces, close to freezing in sheltered spots of Scotland, northern England and Northern Ireland into the first stages of tomorrow morning. For the rest of us, a chilly start, a blustery start too, with intense downpours and more prolonged rain moving from west to east through the course of the morning. A horrible rush hour for some of us, blustery, wet and for some of us wintry, initially through the higher ground of the Pennines, and then the wintry sleet and snow becomes confined across Scotland as the afternoon wears on. Here temperatures struggle all day, the blowing snow giving poor visibility, feeling very chilly across Scotland, northern England and Northern Ireland, even with any brighter sky. Elsewhere, welcome sunshine lifting temperatures, but further blustery downpours rolling in from the west through the afternoon.